So we've done this a couple times, but there's so many different kinds of shodai that we really love it. It's organic. So and it's organic and really amazing sweets. So I think this is we went to the Fukuoka Food Festival and shodai was there. So wow.
いいこと思いついた。春さ、一つこれもらったじゃん。だからゆきが一つもらってももが一つもらった。
Wow, that's
ダリーは
pretty amazing stuff.
ダリーはいいよ。ダリーはいいよ。
It's been in the fridge one day. So
ゆきちゃんにキットは
okay, I'll give you a little bit of this strawberry.
なんかハニーみたいなんだけど。
There you go.
Take the white paper off.
My goodness. Okay.
Do we need forks?
I don't think so.
食べようか。で手が汚れてる。中身はなんかこういうなんか緑っぽいやつがなんかちょっと入ってて、下がなんか
Wow, look at this. Organic. It's organic.
で上がなんかジャムでこれがなんか緑みたいなやつ。なんか緑はないんだけど。
Is that yummy? Okay, let's try this.
Ready, set, go.
Oh. My goodness! Wow, you won't believe this. Anyway, we're going to leave the link below to their website because we buy this stuff. It's so good, so good. My goodness. Okay. That's the best thing. Best cake. So good cakes. Unbelievable. What do you think? Because they taste healthy. Not only do they taste really delicious, they taste different because they actually are healthy. They're organic and best ingredients you can get. Really good. So good. Okay, Yuki. Hang on a second. My goodness me. Everybody has to try these. We don't get paid or anything. We're just saying try them. Just in case people are wondering. We actually legitimately love these products that we say. Huh?
Thank you. 食べたらコメントで言ってね。ソースがついてる。
Okay, so this is cherry blossom.
Cherry blossom?
Yeah. Never tasted this one before. Cherry blossom? Yeah, cherry blossom. So this is going to be pretty amazing stuff. Okay. I think Yuki can try some, right?
This
Yuki
one?
eat this one? Without her making a mess?
これthis one? ここにあるよ。Okay,
I'll eat it.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, go for it. Wow, look at this thing. Amazing. Organic, for goodness sake.
Wow. そこね、なんか緑のやつもあるよ。ボコってなってるんだっけ。今日はなぜかポニーテールにしました。たまにめいちゃんもするときはある。めいちゃんってこういうことなのでね。はなちゃんです。はなちゃん、ももちゃんはね、でもうさつき。
Wait, Yuki, wait.
すごい。すごい。
Look at that. Wow. It's got some fruit in it. Okay. I'll give you a little bit, Yuki. You're going to taste it first. Okay, Yuki. What?
She was maybe the topper?
She's so like that. It's so funny.
She's really like this even eating dinner. Sometimes she really wants, if there's natto, she really wants to eat just natto. Sometimes.
Here you go.
I mean. Thank you.
There you go, Hannah. Put it there. Smell. Wow, that smells amazing. Okay, let's go. That is so delicious.
I love potato.
Just eat. We're doing taste testing. Eat it. Hannah Jam.
I love the potato.
Okay, so do I.
知らないうちにずっとこんなんなってた。知らないうちにずっとこんなんなっとったんだけど。
You want strawberry? Which? This is so delicious anyway.
まあ、2つあったんだね。ちっちゃい。
You can't eat that part. It's chocolate. So anyway, we'll try these crackers
見
next.
たことあるんですけど、これ食べたことがないんですよ。こんなに美味しいと思ってほしい。美味しい鳥なので、また。おお、クラッカー。
Vanilla is from New Zealand, so
わあ。
we'll see what this is.
ゆきさっき。なんかあれ、なんかクロワッサンみたいな感じ。
Yuki?
なんかクロワッサンみたいな。知りたい。
Let's try this.
です。
Okay, this should be delicious. Okay, ready?
ワン。
Right.
ちょっとここボロボロ落ちる。ちょっと近くすれば。なんかここね、
That was
砂
pretty.
糖がシュガーだっけな。砂糖がこぼれると砂糖がいっぱいあるからなんか甘いです。
Yeah, that was pretty nice. But obviously, we just had these two cakes. But this is still delicious, even though we had those two cakes. So, that's telling you something. Okay. Macaroons next. Wow, a mixed one. There's two different flavors.
すごい。あ、すごい。2つが1個についてる。
Yep, enjoy this first, Yuki, because
なんかすごい。
we're Sorry, what's happened? You don't want to eat that. You want to eat this. But no. Wait.
You think they want to drink water? Mama? ウォーターママ。ウォーターママ。食べた。
There
ウ
you
ォー
go.
ターママって言ってる。ウォーターママ。Thank you.
Okay, try this. Let's go.
Ready, set, go. おいしい。
My goodness.
でかいよりも一番大きいですこれは。
Let's see.
ちゃんとできてないけどね、わかるんですよ、こうやってやってるから。あんまりマカルームは食べたことないけど、多分前のゆきちゃんのバステーケーキで食べたことある。あ、バステーケーキじゃなかったか。あ、前にテイスティングで食べたことあるけど、まあ、覚えてない。2回目でも美味しいですよ。
No, hang on. There's a bit missing from you, Hannah.
Ready?
Set.
Set, go!
Really delicious.
これは世界で一番美味しいです。世界よりもです。すごい美味しい。
So the ingredients
全
are,
部ね、世界でね、一番美味しいです。
the ingredients are
絶対にまた帰って。
so sharp tasting because it's so good. So anyway, we're going to leave the link below, and just in case you want to know, we're not getting paid or anything for this, so we just love this product, this brand. There's a mess. Are we saying bye bye?
Bye bye.
Are we saying bye bye? Bye bye.
また食べたい。
Man, look at those cakes. They're so beautiful, aren't they? Good job.